Hey, what's up? If you're watching this video or on our installation page, you're probably wondering if we can install parts on your Toyota. And yeah, that's exactly what we do here at Yota Xpedition. We offer professional in-house installs right here at our shop in Albertus, PA, about an hour and a half north of Philadelphia. We work exclusively on Toyota platforms, so 4Runners, Tacomas, Tundras, Land Cruisers, and Sequoias. Anything from basic upgrades to full builds. Suspension, bumpers and sliders, skid plates, roof racks and accessories, lighting, wheels and tires, and so much more. And here's the thing, the parts we install on your vehicle, we sell them, we test them, and we run them on our own vehicles. If it's not something we trust on our truck, we're not putting it on yours. And here's the fun part, we document the whole process and showcase your build on our YouTube channel. Once you're done watching this, scroll through our installation page to check out our past builds and customer installs we've already completed. You'll also find our hourly rate, so when you're ready, scroll down and submit an install request. Tell us what you're building and we'll help you do it right the first time. We're looking forward to working with you and making your vision come to life.